What's up, everybody? Dante here with an unboxing of the DJI RSC2. Now this is a gimbal. You know, if you want to do some, like if you're moving around a lot, you can get some steady shots with this, and a lot of people kind of recommend this one. Now this is the one for like smaller cameras, mirrorless cameras, things like that. They got one that's bigger for like cinema cameras. I don't have one of those, so I don't need to worry about it. But I got this one, and I'm doing my little multi-cam shot here. So I got my other camera right there, and we got this one. Let's see how this turns out in the editing process. So yeah, so I decided to get one of these because I've been coming up with some ideas of some shots I would like to do down the line, and you know, just change things up, do things a little different. So trying to get into like other angles and things to try. So I was like, all right, let me get one of these, get these steady shots. Let's see how that goes. All right. Oh boy. Yep, there we go. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, so it's this one. Booklet. I'm gonna have to read that. I guess this is like a, I don't know. I ain't gonna even fake it to you like I know. There's a USB-A to USB-C, and this is the gimbal. This doesn't come with a case, I see, but I'm a little intimidated by it already. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. There's this piece. Anything else in here? Uh-oh. Don't know what that is. This is, whoa. Multiple US, okay. Anything else in here? That looks like it's everything. So put this to the side. And what do we have here? All right. Let's see. Okay, this has a joystick, a record button. So, all right. But how do I get it from here? Oh, it's locked, so. Okay. There you go. I guess. Guessing? No. No. Yeah, she put that right about here. Calibrates. Let me see. Let me lock it. So it's locked now. Okay. Power button. No charge, I guess. Okay. So this is the gimbal. This is the RSC2. It's locked. Oh, there you go. Unlocked. Oh, so I guess we're making progress here. So okay, this is the best I could do with just opening this bad boy up and seeing what happens. So okay, yeah, this looks like about somewhat right. What else is there? Okay, tighten this. Okay, it looked like from the book here, it looked like I got most of it on point. But as you can see, this is what it looks like standing up and all this other stuff. I guess once I calibrate to get it to the levels of my cameras, since they both the same, but is it going to be a big difference with two different lenses? And we'll have to see if any weight difference to that. But like I said, this has, I guess you have to charge it, of course. I see I got USB-Cs to USB, micro USB, USB-C, whole bunch of it. So I guess that's something else. I don't know what this is. I guess once I look into it and just do some reading, I'll have everything set up and sorted. And let me take this little tab off. And yeah, this is it. Okay, yeah, this has to be locked somehow. So, all right, this way, how do I lock it? This is unlocked. All right. Okay, that's locked. It's locked. Okay, let me stop before I mess it up. So yeah, this is the DJI RSC2. This is the gimbal right now. I just unboxed it, setting it up, and just kind of sort of getting it right the way it's supposed to be. I'll probably do some shots later on this week and just show you the steadiness and how this gimbal actually works with a camera, how steady shots you can get. So I'm gonna kind of go to my park and do what I normally do, get some shots of some animals if I can, some ducks, some swans, geese of course. Maybe I'll see some fish in there in that lake. So post a comment down below. Anybody who has any suggestions or things that can help me out with this, let me know in the comment section. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more. And hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Peace.